Hello everybody, I am glad you have joined me for yet another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, your teacher, Mwarewa Magi. In our previous lesson, we looked at the different types of food. I hope you're practicing. In our lesson today, we are going to focus on the different types of animals. Be my guest. Animals in Kikuyu are known as nyamo. Nyamo. On top of the list, we have the human being who is known as modo, and ado when there are two or more. Ado. Next, we are going to look at domestic animals, which we call nyamo siamusie. Nyamo siamusie. We start with a man's best friend, who is the dog known as gîkûyû. Puppy known as kagûyû. Cow is ng'ombe. The bull, which is the male of a cow, is known as dume. Another name is degwa. Calf is gasau, and tosau for the plural. Chicken is known as goko. A hen is known as muera. A cocker, which is known as gisogo, and sometimes you'll hear gisaba. Chick is gasui, and tosui when there are two or more. Duck or ducks known as bata. Turkey known as batamusiga. The goat and the sheep are of great importance to the Kikuyu community, and for this reason I am going to mention the gender and the young ones of this particular species. The goat is known as buri. He-goat known as thenge. She-goat is known as mogoma. A young goat is known as harika. While the baby of a goat, which is normally known as a kid, is known as kori. Sheep is known as ngodu. The female sheep, better known as ewe, is also known as ngodu. And a ram known as dorome. A young female sheep is known as mwate. The baby sheep, also known as the lamb, is referred to as kagodu, and togodu for the plural. Togodu. Horse is referred to as baradhi. Rabbit is boko. The donkey is known as fuda or nguda. And even some places you'll hear digiri. Pig is gorowe. Camel is gamera. Cat is nyau. While baby cat, also known as kitten, known as kanyau. Here we look at fish and other animals that live in water or in wet places. Fish is known as Thamaki. Thamaki. Crocodile is referred to as king'ang'i. King'ang'i. The hippo is known as gîkûyû. Gîkûyû. Scorpion known as kangauru. Kangauru. Snail or slug is known as dinoho. Dinoho. Frog is kiura. Kiura. Eel is mokoga. Mokoga. We enter another category, that of wild animals. Wild animals in Kikuyu are referred to as nyamu cia gĩthaka. Nyamu cia gĩthaka. The king of the jungle, also known as the lion, is referred to as mũrũthi. Mũrũthi. Leopard is gare. Gare. Cheetah is known as ginaraso. Ginaraso. Snake is known as nyoka. Nyoka. While a variation of the apes are known as nogo. Nogo or gema. Gema. Elephant known as jogu. Jogu. Buffalo known as bogo. Bogo. Rhino known as huria. Huria. The hyena is known as hiti. Hiti. Warthog is known as gere. Gere. Giraffe is known as doiga. Doiga. Tortoise known as guru. Guru. Ostrich known as nyaga. Nyaga. Deer known as dhwariga. Dhwariga. Fox is bwe. Bwe. The mouse is known as bear. Bear. The mole is known as huko. Huko. Squirrel known as gaturu. Gaturu. Otter is jebere. Jebere. Porcupine known as jege. Jege. The anteater is known as gari. Gari. Mongoose known as keiho. Keiho. Chameleon known as kebu. Kebu. Lizard is jagathi. Jagathi. From here we focus on birds and other animals that fly. Birds is nyoni. Nyoni. Are known as dudu. Dudu. Bat is ruhuhu. Ruhuhu. Dove is dutura. Dutura. Eagle is deli. Deli. Hawk is hogo. Hogo. Falcon is ruege. Ruege. Crow, igogo. Igogo. Vulture is ihuru. Ihuru. Guinea fowl is gaga. Gaga. We now have a look at the insects. The insects in Kikuyu are referred to as tutabi. Tutabi. In this list we have cockroach known as nyeje. Nyeje. Fly known as gi. Gi. Wasp known as kigi. Kigi. Ants known as dhuraku. Dhuraku. termite known as mudoa. Mudoa. The flying termite is known as guya. Guya. Spider kefofoi. Kefofoi. Mosquito roage. Roage. Or ubu. Ubu. Caterpillar is Kikuyu. Kikuyu. Cricket is giria. Giria. Flea is kirofoto. Kirofoto. Earthworm known as munyogoro. Munyogoro. Bedbug known as gogoni. Gogoni. Locust is gitarariki. Gitarariki. Grasshopper known as dahi. Dahi. Butterfly is kehuruta. Kehuruta. Bee is joke. Joke. Another category is that of parasites. Parasites in Kikuyu are known as memenyi. Memenyi. And these include tapeworm known as daguru. Daguru. Roundworms known as joka. Joka. Jiggers is dutu. Dutu. While lice is da. Da. And on that note, my dear listener, we have come to the end of our lesson for now. My sincere hope that going forward, naming animals in Kikuyu will not be a problem at all. Join me next as I teach you how to introduce yourself in Kikuyu. From me is goodbye.